Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by signing into OneDrive on the web. Make sure you use the account you want to expand. Once signed in, open Settings and check Storage to see current GB used and remaining. Next, link any eligible work or school accounts. This can instantly add separate allotments. Then enable camera uploads and Office file saving bonuses to collect free extra space. These first steps establish where capacity exists and which accounts you can combine, so you know what to buy or merge next. Now you decide how to grow capacity. Compare OneDrive standalone versus Microsoft 365 personal or family subscriptions. Personal gives 1 TB, family gives shared 6 TB. Once chosen, buy the plan or add a 50 GB/200 GB boost from account settings. Microsoft 365 also adds Word, Excel, and Outlook benefits. After purchase, move large media and archives into your expanded folders, compress big files where sensible, and remove duplicate copies. Make sure to enable selective sync so local devices don't exceed space limits. Finish by confirming your purchase and checking the storage page for the updated GB total. Make sure billing and auto-renew settings match what you expect. Then sync all devices so the new quota applies everywhere, and reclaim space by emptying the recycle bin and clearing personal vault caches. If the increased storage does not appear, sign out and sign back in. Verify your subscription at account. Microsoft.com, and if needed, contact Microsoft support. Often resynching or a brief server delay resolves the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.